So what do you think?
I think it looks amazing. Even the safety cap, the charger's exactly how we always envisioned it. But I still need to create the panels, I have to make the collapsible frame, I have to make renderings and get the drawings ready for manufacturing. You two are amazing, but there's no way you can do all of that. You're right, kid. We can't.
But they can. With xSheetMetal, xFrame, xStudio, and xDesign, everything you need is covered.
I can help you with the structure of your solar panel, no problem. I've got everything covered for communicating with manufacturing. 3D dimensions and tolerances, and a 2D layout.
I love metal.
You need fabulous pictures? It's a snap.
But I need a crazy professional graphics card and huge installed software to make renderings like this.
Not anymore.
And you all just work together like no problem?
That's the point of xWorks and 3D Experience Works. We work together to give you the tools you need to get the job done.
Awesome! So what comes next?
No need for designers to fear. xWorks is here. xDesign dives into the next challenge with time-saving automation for creating assemblies. The search bar makes it easy to find and insert components into assemblies in any quantity. Context toolbars speed up the process of adding mates. Feature patterns within a part can drive patterns of components in an assembly. Artificial intelligence predicts the location for additional component instances and automatically mates them in place. Once again, xDesign saves the day by creating assemblies with time-saving automation. Is a man or a machine taking over the design? It's both. xWorks team member xSheetMetal is the radical robot, here to bend any sheet metal design to your will. Sketching in the context of an assembly captures part-to-part relationships. Any dimension can be defined by an equation. Embed design logic by referencing material parameters like wall thickness or bend radius. A sheet metal extrusion applies thickness to an open sketch contour. Bends are automatically added to sharp corners. Click and drag on any edge to create a flange. Bend, offset, and relief parameters are custom tailored for sheet metal manufacturing. Visualize interferences within an assembly. A cutout linked to the material thickness provides proper clearance. Round off sharp edges with a corner break. The selection helper reduces manual steps by identifying similar edges. Additional flanges can be created on any edge. Easy-to-use drag handles and on-screen rulers allow precise input of flange length, width, and depth offsets. All the xWorks apps work together, so if the assembly design changes, everything updates. Add finishing details such as hems, patterns, and custom stamping tools. Kapow! A flat pattern and DXF output is just a click away. Design production ready bent and formed parts on the cloud with xSheetMetal.